Can you introduce about yourself and the organization?
Okay, my name is Vikas Sharma. I head the alliance business for Sanovi Technologies India and SAARC. My company is Sanovi Technologies. It's primarily into cloud migration, business continuity, and disaster as a recovery or application-defined continuity software company. It's primarily takes care of all the business continuity process, be it a physical or a cloud environment.
So what kind of opportunity you see in this event?
The opportunity that we see in this event is Sanovi is there for last 12 years. We are, I would say, we are quite successful in the tier 1 cities and with the tier 1 partners like HP, IBM, TCS and Wipro who have been selling our product by default. So the opportunity I took this ISODA event was primarily to target the new set of customers which are SMB or middle medium segment customers who are now trying to grow and are spending in IT sector. So the reason we participated is just have that customer base intact and move into cities like B category cities where we can expose our product to the customer. And it's a new product for the entire market. It's a niche product actually.
What are the key verticals you're targeting for your business growth in the country?
Sanovi is by default a product which is required by BFSI. So BFSI is definitely a forte that we play. Then apart, the government is now catching up big time. So we have a lot of government customers who already are there. So government also we are there. Manufacturing is started growing up, considering their ERP applications to be run on Sanovi software for business continuity. And similarly are the SMBs who are trying to move towards the cloud. We are partnered with players like NetMagic, AWS who are giving a very small DR solution to the customer. So we are there in that space as well. So I don't see any area that we are left out on.
So if you want to give a special message to the wars in the country?
The special message is in terms of your right. So the message is the customers.
Value-added resellers.
Yeah. So basically what we have seen is a lot of CIOs have been doing DC/DR and they've been talking a lot about it. So they also have a challenge in terms of now next what. So the market is all talking about automation of DC, DR, big data, Hadoop kind of things. And the environments are becoming more and more complex. So the resellers have more of a responsibility of going and educating the customer, how the things can be simplified for yourself, how the process can be, can be a less task consuming, less resource consuming, you can be a cost effective solutions around. So this is more of a responsibility from an SI or a reseller as of now to educate the customer what is required, the need of the hour, or they would be left behind in the technology in terms of technology going forward.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks.